Hello and welcome to another episode of Worst Techie. Today's subject is Docker versus VM. Quickly understand what is Docker and what is VM. First thing first. Docker is a tool that uses containers to make creation, deployment, and running of application a lot easier. It binds application and its dependencies inside a container. And on the other hand, a virtual machine is a system which acts exactly like a computer. In simple terms, it makes it possible to run what appears to be on many separate computers on hardware that is one computer. Each virtual machine requires its underlying operating system and then the hardware is virtualized. OS support and architecture. Virtual machines have host OS and the guest OS inside each VM. Guest OS can be any OS, like Linux or Windows, irrespective of host OS. In contrast, Docker containers host on a single physical server with a host OS, which shares among them. Sharing the host OS between containers makes them light and increases the boot time. Docker containers are considered suitable to run multiple applications over a single OS kernel, whereas virtual machines are needed if the applications or services required to run on different OS. Security. Virtual machines are standalone with their kernel and security features. Therefore, applications needing more privileges and security run on virtual machines. On the flip side, providing root access to applications and running them with administrative premises is not recommended in the case of Docker containers because containers share the host kernel. The container technology has access to the kernel subsystems. As a result, a single infected application is capable of hacking the entire host system. Portability. Virtual machines are isolated from their OS, and so, they are not ported across multiple platforms without incurring compatibility issues. At the development level, if an application is to be tested on different platforms, then Docker containers must be considered. Docker containers packages are self-contained and can run applications in any environment, and since they don't need a guest OS, they can be easily ported across different platforms. Docker containers can be easily deployed in servers since containers being lightweight can be started and stopped in very less time compared to virtual machines. Performance. Virtual machines are more resource intensive than Docker containers as the virtual machines need to load the entire OS to start. The lightweight architecture of Docker containers is less resource intensive than virtual machines. In the case of virtual machines, resources like CPU, memory, and I/O may not be allocated permanently to containers, unlike in the case of containers, where the resource usage with the load or traffic. Scaling up and duplicating containers is simple and easy as compared to virtual machines because there is no need to install an operating system in them. Hope this short video helped you to create an idea about difference between Docker container and virtual machine. Like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday new technical video. Thank you.